Are you tired of being the sole icon wrangler for your organization? Well, Teams lets you invite others to your Font Awesome universe without giving them your password or a secret handshake. When you purchase a Font Awesome plan, you'll be granted a Font Awesome license with seats. Each seat in your license allows a team member in your organization or a client to create content using Font Awesome Pro or Pro Plus icons directly. Here's some common questions when it comes to seats. Who needs a seat on my Pro license? Anyone who's creating things with Pro or Pro Plus icons requires a seat. Some examples include designers placing icons in their digital and graphic designs, developers directly referencing icons in their source code, writers, bloggers, and content creators who use icons directly in their pieces. How do I share Font Awesome with team members? You can invite folks by using the team management page under your account. You can see that there are 4 roles when it comes to teams: owner, admin, editor, and billing. Owners and admins have full control over your team account. Editors have access to icons, kits, and tokens, but can't make account changes. Billing is reserved for team members who only have access to your account's subscription details. All roles except for billing require a seat on your Font Awesome license. You can see that the only person under this team is the account owner. To invite other team members to this license account, select Invite Team Member. Enter the email address you'd like to add and select the role that this member will fill. We'll add this member as an admin. Click Invite by Email. Once that person accepts your invitation, they'll be added to your team and their status will read Accepted. How do I manage and edit my team members? To edit a member's role in your team, select the pencil or edit icon and choose their role. Has someone left the project or organization? You can easily remove members by clicking the delete icon. How do I add more seats to my Font Awesome license? If the number of seats needed exceeds the number you have in your current plan, you can easily add more by navigating to your account billing page and managing your subscription from there. See, that was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.